Welcome. Today we're gonna make a nice sandwich, veal cutlets, and you're gonna need nice fresh veal. We're gonna use extra virgin olive oil. If you have fresh garlic, go ahead, and just salt and pepper for spices. That's it. And we're gonna need some red and green peppers, a nice onion, some potatoes we're gonna put in our air fryer, make like French fries, and some mushrooms. And I have a Cracker Barrel here. I have old cheddar and mozzarella. You can use any one or give it a mix. So I'm gonna wash up and chop up my vegetables. Okay, so everything is washed and chopped, ready to go. Our air fryer at 320 Fahrenheit, 160 Celsius. I put it for 40 minutes, give it 5-10 minutes to warm up. These are potatoes, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper. Give it a mix. It's ready, nice and hot. Lights are on. Put in your potatoes. Spread them out. And it goes. While the potatoes are cooking, we're going to be sauteing. 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, bless it there. And we're just going to put all the vegetables in. And add salt and pepper, that's it. And garlic, but not yet. Not yet, because the garlic will burn if you do it right away. We have to saute the veggies first. About 2 minutes. 2 minutes or so. A minute and a half. It depends how thin you cut them. Once your vegetables have a nice color, and then you get some garlic. Fresh or like this. And saute everything. Once it starts smelling nicely, you shut it off. 10 seconds. It's already sauteed. The garlic doesn't take long. Oh, what a smell. Beautiful. And we're done. Cut it off. Put it aside. All done. I just put salt and pepper. I'm using the same frying pan. Just bless it with some extra virgin olive oil. And put it for about a half a minute because it's very thin. On each side. Time to flip. They're very thin, so you don't want to burn them. Just salt and pepper, that's it. After about a minute, start filling them with the vegetables, sauteed vegetables. And put your oven on low. Putting the cheese. We're going to put our toast down before you start putting your cheese. Once you have your cheese on, cover your pan and shut it off. Shut your stove. And the cheese will melt. If you want it to melt really well, just leave it for a little bit. The stove, leave it on for a little bit. Look at that. Oh my God. Does that look yummy? And now we're going to take and make a sandwich. We're going to put 2 pieces on each sandwich. I put 2 pieces on mine. Look at that. So enjoy. Always eat it in good health. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless.